Alright everyone, welcome to my channel, Texas Scratch Your Life. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today I have a $40 session. We have a $20 VIP Millions, ticket number 1, $10 200X, ticket number 46, and then I have two of the $5 Extreme Green, ticket number 10 and 11, and we are going to start off with those tickets today. Alright, so in the Extreme Green, $100,000 top prize, we are looking for a money back symbol for an instant win, stack of cash for double, or if we get the vault, we'll hit 5 times. Odds in the game are 1 in 4.07. Alright, let's get started. We are looking for 11, 29, 20, 7, and 6. Already starting with the one-offs up here in our winners numbers. All right, 12, 11, 28, 29, 5, 6, 7, 3, 30, 29, and we're looking for a big win, hopefully, because on the way home today, my truck broke down and ended up in the parking lot of this gas station. So I said, you know what? Bad luck with the truck breaking down. Maybe we'll have some good luck on our tickets. And we started off with a 5 times the win. All right, things are looking up. That's awesome. 45... 17. So win times 5. Let's zoom in on that one. So let's take a guess. What can we get out of here? I think it's at least a 50 because I don't see a $25 prize being one of the options. All right, and it is a $50 win. Awesome. That is great. So, you get some good luck out of breaking down to that spot. But you know what? Let's keep going. Let's hope for back-to-back. Ticket number 11. Number 4, 47, 27, 18, and 41. All right, 3, 4, 46, 47, 11. All right, let's keep going. Oh, by the way, that did put us into a profit session on the very first ticket because this is a $40 session. So we were plus 10, so everything else is just gravy at this point. All right, last row, we have 20, number 6, 19, 13, last spot, 45. All right, nothing on our second ticket. So let's move on to our $10 200X, ticket 46. Odds are 1 in 3.80. It is a match and win with multipliers of 2, 5, 10, or 200 times. Get lined up. All right. And we are looking for 32, 50, 17, 21, 56, and 4. And I'll say this ticket does scratch a lot nicer and easier than the other one. Now we just needed to hold as big of or a bigger win than the previous tickets. All right, last row. 48, 39, number 6, 49, the last spot. Can we get a win? Number 40. All right, nothing there. All right, last ticket, $20 VIP Millions. First ticket of the pack, ticket number 1. We have a match and win, 2, 5, 10, or 20 times. 1 in 3.62, and there is bonus sections 50 through 500 where we're looking for 2 matching symbols. Get it lined up and let's get going. So we need 50, 54, 31, 28, 68, 25, or a multiplier. So no 40s. 56. All right, last row, 72, 27, we have 28, no 40s, no 40s, 64, nothing there. Let's check our bonus areas. So we need 2 matching symbols, so money bag, bar, necklace, vault, crown, register, nothing there. All right, $100 spot. Armored car, key. All right, they're going to come down to our $50 spot. Can we get another ring? They gave us a moon. All right, so out of 4 tickets, we won on the first ticket, but it was a great win. $50 right there. Thank you guys for joining me on my journey through the Texas Lottery. Please take a moment to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Really appreciate all the love and support. Hope y'all the best of luck on all your sessions. Hopefully y'all find some big wins. And I will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much.